Alright, I'm on the farm here today. I got the John Deere 348, John Deere 5055D, and a couple of kicker wagons out here. And I'm going to try to bale this fourth cutting hay. It's just a tick after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This is about as good as it's going to get. To me, the air feels like it's got some humidity in it. I hope we can get this hay up in good shape. Let's keep going. Alright, so I stopped here and I wanted to check the bales. When I first started, they were really soft and not of good shape. This really soft hay is a challenge, and but what I did is what I was finding is seemed like the bale was tighter on this side than this side, and then it was just loose. I had one that flew up and it broke out of the strings. The strings didn't break, it just wasn't tight enough to hold it. And I thought, well, maybe I don't have any compression going on here. And but so I knew I felt pretty good about the pressure I had on the baler, which is right here. But one thing this John Deere 348 baler has, and it's rare that I use them, is it's got side door wedges, and you can crank these things in. And so in order to kind of equal out the mash that I'm getting off that plunger knife on this side, I push this in about halfway of its distance I can put in, and that seems to have fixed it. And now the bales, knock on wood, seem to be coming out pretty good, but they are heavy. I mean, these are some heavy bales. But just a beautiful square bale. And so let me get this one up on here. The hay is building up on the front of the pickup that you can see, and some of it's falling back off in front, but the John Deere 348 Baler has a 6-bar pickup, and it's got tines every 2 inches, and so this is as good as it gets as far as a pickup on a baler. And I'm in second gear, low range. I could go down to first, but I feel like I need to be packing hay into these bales, and so if I slow down, then I don't know that I'm doing myself any favors. And so anyhow, I mean, right there's the flakes. There's a lot of flakes in this bale, and if I slowed down there would even be more. I don't like to make them any more than 3 inches per the manual, but moisture anywhere from like 12%. I'll see a high of 16. Haven't seen anything higher than that. No like 17 or 18 or 22. But working from this side down, I'll lose the sun up there first, and then it should be dry down there. And so let me hoist this bale up on here and keep going. Alright, so I'm done. Went back and kind of gleaned around where some of the hay sort of spilled out from the pickup on the John Deere. And like I said, this will be some high-dollar hay, without a doubt. Let's see what this one looks like. Sometimes when you're just going around picking up pieces, the bales don't look so great. And this one actually feels a little bit loose, but it's heavy as all get out. And definitely not as good a quality bale as some of these up in here. This really fine, short hay is a challenge, even with a great baler like this John Deere 348. And so this field's finished, fourth cutting on the wagon, and see if I can get the customers to come get it. Hopefully this will make up for some of the hay that molded in my barn that I've talked about previously. And so let me call it a video here. The homemade kicker wagon, John Deere 348 number 42 kicker, or as John Deere calls it, ejector. And the backbone of this farm, the 5055D John Deere tractor. So that's the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment, share. We'll talk to you later.